So, hi dear Taurus, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind, this is journal. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 7th till the 13th of October for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Taurus. The person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Taurus. We have the Six of Cups, the Judgment, and the Four of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit. So in their mind space, this person is thinking a lot about you, continuously thinking about you all the time, and they're thinking about all the lessons and the blessings that they got because of the situation between you and them, right? Now, in the heart space, I do see this person is missing you like crazy. This person is still holding on to you energetically. They're like, I'm never letting go of Taurus out of my life, out of my system, out of my energy field, because I feel Taurus is the one for me. We have a soul connection. Someday, so Taurus is going to forgive me for whatever happened. Either they are in this energy of forgiving you and forgetting whatever happened, or they are seeking this kind of energy of forgiveness from your side, and then they have this energy of daydreaming about having you back in their life. They're holding on to this energy of wanting you back in their life like crazy. This person is not letting you go out of their life, out of their system. Energetically, they are still very much connected to you. Energetically, still they are very much hopeful and positive that someday you guys are going to be together and it's going to be a happily ever after kind of deal after that. They are continuously daydreaming about having you in their life, having you back in their life, the way you guys used to be at some point of time. Let's see what this person wants from you. I'm going to keep these readings very quick and to the point today because I have a lot to finish. um, I'm working while you're watching this video. I will be traveling today, 7th of October, I guess today it is. So I'm pre-recording these videos so that you guys can don't have to miss the readings. Okay, so what they want to come out of this mental jail. It's almost similar to the Aries read. When the person Aries is connected to, they want to clear the air with them. Now Taurus, this person is also in this energy of getting out of their head and coming towards you slowly but surely. They want to enter in your life very slowly, like one step in 1 month. It's like, okay, I have to enter into Taurus's life slowly but very slowly, but I know this is how I'm going to enter into Taurus's life. I don't know how, I don't know what their plan is, but they want to take it really very slow, to the level of you even forgetting about them, that they exist on planet Earth. So this is their plan, because right now they're super confused about how to reach out to you, how to connect with you, or how to enter in your life. So they want to make a plan in the like, and they want to come out of this mental jail, this overthinking first that they are continuously doing regarding the situation, and they want to enter in your life very slowly. Like, okay, let's start with small steps, baby steps. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 13th of October, Taurus. Okay, honey. You have the Ten of Cups, the Magician, and the High Priestess. So they are daydreaming about you. They are manifesting a happily ever after kind of deal with you. They are keeping their emotions to themselves, keeping their feelings to themselves. But I don't see this person taking any kind of action as of now in this direction, because again, I'm telling you, this person is kind of planning to enter in your life very slowly, because they know that suddenly out of the blue, if they're going to enter in your life, or if they're going to talk to you or communicate with you, you are going to reject them straight away, or you are going to insult them, or slam the door on their face, or whatever. So I don't know what happened between you guys, but this person is making this conscious decision of coming back to your life in a very slow pace, so that you are going to accept them again, because right now they know things are going to go south, more south, if they are going to connect with you in these energies, in these kind of energies that they are having right now. So okay, they know you're pissed off, they know you're not interested in them. like that anymore. So that's why they are just planning to, yeah, they have a plan, they have a full-fledged plan to enter in your life, but very slowly. Yeah. So manifestation is going on behind the scenes, but nothing in the 3D world like as action. Guidance for you guys, the Five of Swords. Okay. Don't let this person manipulate your energies again. So might be this person will try to put something, some stories on Instagram, something, some kind of status or some kind of videos or something like that to show you, to trigger you in some way. And if you're going to get triggered, their work is done, their job is done, because all they want right now is to trigger some kind of action from your side. So don't get triggered by something that this person is doing to show off to you. Okay, first thing. Second thing, don't let your ego and pride come in between you and your goals. So ego is going to hurt you. So even if your ego is telling you that this person should get hurt, they hurt me badly, they should also get hurt, this is going to like hurt you only eventually, Taurus, trust me. So if your ego is telling you to hurt this person in some way, like by doing things that you should not be doing, don't do that, please don't do that. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.